Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to schedule the automatic cleaning on your ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge. At first, tap here to enter your vacuum cleaner in your app. Tap this gear icon and now tap schedules. Now, as you can see, we have this everyday routine. Tap plus to add new one. Tap start and start the hour when you want to be your routine cleaning. Let be, for example, 10 o'clock. Okay, now repeat. Wait a moment, repeat over here. Here they have, as you can see, every day, weekdays, weekends, or custom. If you tap custom and OK, you can start the days, custom days. Let me, for example, tap here, weekdays. OK. Here they have full, rooms, or routine. You can here start the routine that you have created, rooms, cleaning for the rooms. For example, this, and cleaning mode. You can set the cleaning mode over here. Adjust up your own preferences, or tap full. Tap this tick icon, and now the cleaning is scheduled to 10 o'clock. To have this schedule enabled, tap this tick to have it blue. Like this. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.